Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We do need your like and hope you will subscribe to our channel. The Squeaky Door Fix: how to lubricate your car doors like a pro. Ever find your car doors sticking or making annoying noises? You're not alone. Properly lubricating your car doors is crucial for smooth operation and preventing rust. Regular maintenance ensures your doors open and close effortlessly, extending their lifespan. Neglecting this simple task can lead to costly repairs down the line. Lubricating your car doors isn't just about smooth operation, it also protects your vehicle's structural integrity. In this video, you'll learn the best practices for lubricating your car doors, saving you time and money in the long run. Ready to keep your car in top shape? Let's dive in. Types of lubricants for car doors. When it comes to keeping your car doors operating smoothly, choosing the right lubricant is crucial. Here are 3 common types of lubricants for car doors and how they can benefit you. Silicone spray. Silicone spray is a popular choice for lubricating car doors due to its water-resistant properties. It helps prevent doors from sticking, especially in wet conditions. To apply silicone spray effectively, make sure to clean the door hinges and then spray a thin, even layer on the moving parts. Wipe off any excess spray to avoid a greasy mess. White lithium grease. White lithium grease is known for its long-lasting lubrication and ability to withstand temperature changes, making it ideal for car door hinges and latches. When applying white lithium grease, focus on the pivot points of the door hinges and latches. Use a grease gun for precise application, and wipe off any excess grease to prevent buildup. Graphite powder. Graphite powder is perfect for lubricating car door locks and mechanisms as it provides a dry and clean lubrication solution. To use graphite powder effectively, insert the nozzle into the lock mechanism and squeeze a small amount inside. Turn the key several times to distribute the powder evenly without creating a messy residue. Choose the right lubricant based on your car door's specific needs to ensure smooth operation and longevity. How to lubricate car doors. Lubricating your car doors is a simple yet essential maintenance task that can ensure smooth operation and prevent annoying squeaks or sticking. Properly lubricated door hinges, latches, and locks can prolong the life of your vehicle and enhance your driving experience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively lubricate your car doors. Preparation steps. Before applying new lubricant to your car doors, it's important to prepare the area properly. Start by cleaning the door hinges, removing any dirt, debris, or old lubricants that may have built up over time. Ensure that the hinges are dry before proceeding with the lubrication process to allow the new lubricant to adhere effectively. Application techniques. Choose a high-quality lubricant suitable for automotive use. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the door hinges, latches, and locks, ensuring complete coverage. Avoid over-lubricating, as excess lubricant can attract dirt and debris, leading to potential issues. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on how much lubricant to use and how often the lubrication should be done to maintain optimal performance. Maintenance tips. To keep your car doors functioning smoothly, establish a regular maintenance schedule for lubrication. Monitor your doors for any signs of squeaking or sticking, which may indicate the need for re-lubrication. Address common problems promptly by reapplying lubricant as needed. By maintaining a consistent lubrication routine, you can prevent potential door issues and ensure hassle-free operation of your vehicle. Benefits of regular door lubrication. Regularly lubricating your car doors offers a plethora of advantages that can significantly enhance your driving experience and prolong the lifespan of your vehicle. Let's look at the benefits of incorporating door lubrication into your regular maintenance routine. Noise reduction. By applying lubricant to your car's door hinges and latches, you can effectively minimize squeaks, creaks, and other irritating noises that often accompany opening and closing doors. This simple maintenance task can transform your driving experience into a quieter and more pleasant journey. Smoother operation. One of the immediate benefits of regular door lubrication is the improvement in the smoothness of door operation. Well-lubricated hinges and latches ensure that your car doors open and close effortlessly, providing you with a seamless entry and exit from your vehicle. Rust prevention. Regularly lubricating your car doors helps create a protective barrier that shields the metal components from moisture and environmental elements. This barrier inhibits the formation of rust, preventing corrosion and ensuring that your car doors continue to function effectively for years to come. Extension of door components, lifespan. Proper lubrication of door hinges and latches reduces wear and tear on these components, extending their longevity. By incorporating door lubrication into your maintenance routine, you can prevent premature damage and the need for costly repairs or replacements. Cost-saving maintenance. In addition to the immediate benefits it provides, regular door lubrication is a cost-effective maintenance practice. By investing a small amount in lubricants and dedicating minimal time to lubricating your car doors, you can avoid more significant expenses associated with repairing or replacing damaged door components in the long run. This proactive approach to maintenance not only saves you money but also ensures the optimal performance of your vehicle's doors. In conclusion, the advantages of regular door lubrication are vast, ranging from noise reduction and smoother operation to rust prevention and extended component lifespan. By incorporating this simple yet impactful maintenance task into your routine, you can enjoy a quieter, more efficient driving experience while saving money on potential repairs. Common mistakes to avoid. When it comes to lubricating your car doors, there are some common mistakes that many people make unknowingly. By understanding these errors, you can ensure you do the job correctly and efficiently. Let's delve into the common lubrication mistakes and how you can avoid them. Using the wrong type of lubricant. Using the wrong type of lubricant can lead to more harm than good. Don't just grab any lubricant you have around the house. Make sure it's suitable for car door hinges. Using the wrong product can cause buildup, attracting dirt and debris, which can eventually lead to door malfunctions. Always opt for a dedicated automotive lubricant to ensure smooth and long-lasting results. Over-lubricating. While it might seem like applying extra lubricant will make your car doors work better, over-lubricating can actually do more harm than good. Excess lubricant can attract more dirt and dust, creating a gunky mess that hinders door movement. A little goes a long way when it comes to lubricating car doors, so apply a thin and even layer to prevent buildup. Neglecting regular maintenance. One of the most common mistakes is neglecting regular maintenance of your car doors. Lubricating your car doors should be part of your routine maintenance schedule to ensure they operate smoothly and prevent premature wear. Failing to lubricate your door hinges regularly can lead to rust, corrosion, and squeaky doors. Make it a habit to lubricate your car doors at least a few times a year to keep them in top condition. By avoiding these common mistakes and following best practices for lubricating your car doors, you can maintain smooth and efficient operation while prolonging the lifespan of your vehicle's doors. After looking into the importance of properly lubricating your car doors, we have uncovered the vital role this simple maintenance task plays in ensuring the longevity and smooth functioning of your vehicle. By applying lubricant to the hinges, locks, and handles, you are not only preventing wear and tear but also safeguarding against rust and corrosion. In a fast-paced world where time is of the essence, taking a few minutes to lubricate your car doors can make a world of difference in the overall performance of your vehicle. Don't wait until your doors start squeaking or sticking. Be proactive and incorporate this simple yet effective practice into your regular maintenance routine. Remember, a well-lubricated car door doesn't just provide seamless operation but also contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal of your vehicle. So, why not embark on this maintenance quest and become a game changer in prolonging the life of your car doors? Implement these lubrication practices today and enjoy the benefits of a smoothly operating vehicle for years to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.